It's Christmas once again.
It is. It is.
Look at this.
Did you buy me a present?
Not exactly. Not exactly. That one has got your name on it though, and this one's got my name on it. I went to see one of our old mates last night. Have a guess. Who do you think it was?
Johnny with a G.
Johnny with a G. It wasn't Johnny with a G. Have another guess.
Johnny with a hole.
It wasn't Johnny with a what?
Johnny with a hole.
It wasn't Johnny with a hole.
He's useless, isn't he?
Oh no, that dangerous, that kind of thing.
Dangerous.
Nah, it wasn't that. It wasn't him. What else? Go on, have another guess.
Dave.
It was not. It wasn't Pitman Dave, but I'd like to see him. We haven't seen him for ages. We got something for him. But
We have.
no,
Can you get on with it?
I went to see RC Steve.
Why don't you just stay?
I went to see RC Steve, and he said to me, "Here," he said, "I've got a couple of bits for you." He said, "That one's for Carl." He said, "That one's for you." I don't know what's in it, so
What's this then?
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Shall I read it then?
Go on then.
Okay.
What is it?
Where's the card? It says, Mr. Popalong. Let's have a little look. Now, well, that says Mr. Popalong. It's probably to both of us, isn't it? Merry Christmas. So it says here, Merry Christmas, guys. Thanks for the epic build on the Optima Pro. Ah, yes, we did do that.
We did do that. That
Come
was
out very
amazing. Have you given it back to him then?
Yeah, I'll give it back to him, yeah. I also love the way you are going with the My Dave Cobra, which is going extremely well. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. Here's another little something for you guys to open, enjoy and share with the subscribers. Something for us and those.
Yeah.
If only until I need it myself. Keep up the good work, RC Steve. So in here, there's something we can use. Obviously, it's his, so, you know, as and when.
Cool. Who's going first then?
You go. I haven't got a clue what this is. You go first. I'll put this here like that. I'm intrigued.
It's like a flat pack. Probably a kit of some sort.
Probably some sort of kit. I have no idea.
It's a box. It is a box.
Hang on a minute. Lenovo. Aren't they famous for making laptops?
I have never heard of Lenovo.
Right, that there. Open it up. A laptop? Why is he giving you a laptop?
I don't know.
Maybe it's because you wiped
Is it because I broke my computer?
I bet that's what it is. You broke your computer, didn't you? You was up all night for 2 nights trying to fix it. You was on the phone to the people in...
You reckon?
Well, yeah.
No way.
Where's you got your laptop?
Do you know what?
Right, that is a brand new laptop.
That is a brand new laptop.
Well, it's very nice, RC Steve. Very nice indeed.
It is.
That's actually quite nice, isn't it?
I'm a bit taken back by that, boss.
It's totally brand new. Look, it's got all the keys on it. It's got a screen on it. Everything.
Wow.
Well, you got a laptop. I wonder what this is. Shall I have a little look? I wonder if anybody can guess. Let's have a little look.
I'm speechless, boss.
He likes what we do.
He loves what we do.
He likes what. He's been a great help. But obviously, when he needs it back, he needs it back.
It's got his address on there. You don't want to share that to people, do you?
No.
Any clues?
Yes. So it says here, decoder kit with wires. A decoder kit with wires. think I know what that is.
Do you?
Yeah.
I think I put the scissors over there.
Oh yeah, there we go. Shall I get properly into this then?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to speed this bit up then.
Wow, wee wah.
So that
is wires.
That says the word detection loop on it. That is a loop. That is a time. That is a full timing system, and that in that box there is the decoder, and that's the timing loop. So we have got ourselves.
We've got ourselves a laptop to go with the timing system.
So, wow, that's very, very interesting. So it looks like something interesting might be happening for Popalong RC next year, 2025. Should we give it away what we're going to do?
Tell you what.
Should we keep it hush hush? Should we not tell anybody what we're going to do? Or
I don't know, do we even know what we're doing yet?
no,
really,
not really. We've got a few ideas.
But if we've got that and this, and we've got a timing system,
and we're called Popalong RC.
we could pop along places.
We could pop along places
with our timing system.
It could almost be like a pop-up RC club. Advertise it. We're going to be at such and such venue tonight from, I don't know, obviously in the summer when it warms up a bit, from like
5 till 10.
5 till 10. Bring your cars. We'll have a couple of transponders on the go, this, that, and the other, and just have a play. Nothing too
So
serious.
what could also work if you've got a proper timing loop. Track in the woods. Bit of rally action.
But that is a proper timing loop.
That is
a proper serious.
So we could get our transponders in and actually do some serious rally competitions
interesting. Now. Or we could just start up our own club.
We could start up our own club.
Yeah.
My local hall's not too bad. It's got a stage and everything.
True. Well,
you know what?
What?
MK are going to be getting some new carpet this year. So there'll be some old carpet going up for grabs. Wouldn't cost a lot to get us up and running.
That is very, very interesting. Who knows? Why don't we put it to these guys here?
What should we do? What do you want us to do?
Excuse me, I keep coughing today. What do you want us to do? Because this is the whole entire timing system right here. It is a proper one. This is the real deal. So what do you want us to do? Do you want us to do a pop-along session? Do you want to do, I don't know.
Rally thing, set up our own club.
Yeah.
Just anything, really.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll tell you what.
What?
Could run stuff in schools with this.
Run stuff in schools for that. Yeah, that's very true. We've been doing a few workshops of late, spreading
Do you know
the good
what
word.
Need, though?
What?
Need some transponders.
Yeah, we do. Well, it's funny you should say that because in this little box here, he's had a little think about this. Because the thing is, we do like the pop-along thing. We like to get new people involved. So RC Steve, he's a smart chap. He's a smart chap. He's had a bit of a
He's
brainwave.
not just a pretty face, is he?
No, he's had a bit of a brainwave. So we've got a couple of test transponders here, and then what he's got here is a little LiPo battery here. So what you could almost do is just connect it, right, and just have it in. You could almost have that in its own little kind of container, and you just Velcro the container in the car. Done. No messing.
I like
So if you've got kids, like let's say kids that turn up with, I don't know, a Grom, for example, or an RTR, we don't want to turn anybody away, do we? Because we're all about...
You don't want to be unscrewing the cases that the receivers are in. So you could literally just Velcro that straight on the chassis.
This is it, you see?
Smart.
It could well be something, couldn't it? So there you go. So RC Steve, if you're watching, nice one. Nice one, yeah.
I'm actually still quite taken back by it all.
So there you go. 2025 is going to be a great year for RC. It's going to be a great year for Popalong RC because we've got all this cool stuff now. Look, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, share the videos, hit the ding dong bell, and we'll see you hopefully trackside soon.